Hi friends, this is Jitendra Bhafna. Today we will going to see how to create record in the Salesforce using Mulesoft Salesforce connector. We will directly start with a demo. So before start with the demo, like we have to do some configuration in the Salesforce.com. First thing, like we will require a security token. So what you have to do, you have to go to my setting in the Salesforce.com. You have to go to the personal. Under personal, you have to go to the reset my security token. So click on the reset my security token. It will send a mail on your email account. So you can find your security token there. Okay. So let's wait till security tokens come. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to we will go to the account view. So what we will do, we will use the account with a zip code. We click on the go. Okay. We will going to insert one record under the account. Okay. Uh, we got the security token. I think this is my security token. I will just select that. I will paste it somewhere. Okay, it will be requiring further. Okay, let me start with what I have done. I have already HTTP listener. I have configured the HTTP listener. Okay, and I have given the path HDFC and I will allow method post. After that, I had drag and drop the Salesforce connector and we will going to configure that Salesforce connector now. So we will click on the add button. We will use only basic authentication. We will click OK. We will provide my username. I will provide password of salesforce.com. And finally, I will be requiring a security token. So I will click on this. I will just copy the security token. I will paste it here. I will say validate configuration. If everything is fine, it will give us successful connection. Okay, let's wait. Okay, all our configuration, all settings are perfect. We will simply click on OK. Okay, now we have to select the operation. So we have to create. Okay, we have to create some record in the Salesforce. We will say create. Now we have to select the object. We are going to select account. We have to create an account. Okay, we have to. That's the setting we have to do. Now what we have to do, we have to use the transform message. So we will place in the front of salesforce.com. So our input message is like this. Okay, so what we will do, we will going to map input message with the salesforce.com. So if you see, like you can see like the metadata related to salesforce.com already there. So it will be automatically generate the metadata, output metadata for you. So we have to define the input metadata. So we'll click on this. We will say add. We will say I will say accounts JSON. I will say create type. I will select type equals to JSON. I will say example. I have example on the desktop. My desktop account.json. Okay, so it will show all the fields. So this is the message: name, address, zip code, and all those things. So let's wait till it generate a view for you. Let me check what is the issue. I am going to check a message. Okay, let me put comma here. There was some issue with the message. I will close this for some time. Let me open my message. Okay, I will say, I will save it again. And what I will do, I will generate the metadata again. Input metadata. I have already account JSON. Sorry. Mm, okay, let me do one thing. Let me clear the metadata. I will define again. Say JSON. I will say JSON. I will say example. I will say go to desktop, account registration. Okay, these are all filled. Our input message. We will going to map with the one is with the message which has been generated by Salesforce.com. So now billing state will go to the address. Let me billing state with address. Okay, let me city with billing city, country with billing country. Let me go. Okay, let me city map. I have to use. I have to search for account name. This is the name, so I will map account name with name. Okay, it is already mapped. And there is one thing more thing state. So let me map state with billing state. Okay, so this is the mapping we have to do, and I will simply start my application. Let's wait. Okay, and our application has been deployed. Now we will going to use the postman. Let me change the URL. I will say SDFC. Okay, this is my URL, and I will going to post this message. It's a James Bond. We will check. Okay, we got a 200. Okay, okay. Or let me go to Salesforce.com now. We will going to search the record. Let me refresh it. Let me sort by account name. Let me go to I put see this has been created account. Let I will show you name James Bond, address Montague, zip code we have sent this message. Okay, we can verify James Bond, London, Montague Road, London, UK. So whatever data we have sent, okay, it has been populated. Yeah, I think we have missed to miss like we haven't mapped the zip code. So what we can do, we will go to again transform message. Let me check. We haven't. Yeah, okay. Let me map the postal code. Let me save it again. Okay, I will change the name to this bond. Let's say okay, the application will be started again. I will push this message again. Okay, we got 200. Okay, now we will again go to salesforce.com. We will refresh it. See this bond. Now we can see the postal code has been also populated. So now you know like how to create the record in the salesforce.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching video.